Oh, it's okay. Well,
did you want to take my picture?
yes, I'd like to take a picture. I'll ask you what you're doing here and what's your name?
I'm Ellen from Pathways Hospice.
Okay.
I'm one of the nurses.
Okay, so can you introduce us what you're doing?
I'm giving information about hospice care
Yes.
for people who have a terminal illness that cannot be cured.
Okay.
They're entitled to, under Medicare, all the visits, all the equipment, all the medical supplies to care for them in their home.
I see. So how they can get hold of you to
Say again?
How they can get hold of you to get further information?
Their doctor would order hospice, or they can call our number.
Yes.
888-755-7855.
Good, very good. Let me take down your number. Do you have brochure to show us?
Actually, we have brochures in English, Chinese, Farsi, Russian, Tagalog, and Spanish.
Oh, wow.
So if anybody needs information in their own language, we should be able to provide it.
Good, good. Do you have a contact number?
Contact is 888-755-7855.
Very good.
Yes, thank you.
Definitely pass it to the community.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What you're doing here?
I'm with Compassion Network. City serves Compassion Network.
Yes.
We're a nonprofit, faith-based community served by 70 churches in the area. We provide volunteers to serve all the needs of the community free of charge.
I see. Okay. So where's your office to contact?
It's on Liberty in Fremont, in the Family Resource Center.
Yes.
Liberty Avenue.
What is the contact number over there? The phone number?
It's 796-SERVE, S-E-R-V, or 7378.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.